What up, boys? It's day 2 of the EG hatch build. We're gonna be stripping the stock hatch today. J-Rock got here a little bit before me, so let's go check him out, see what he got done. This shit don't look like it's a part. Yo, J-Rock! Where's J-Rock at? You're not over there. No. Yo, bro.
You know I don't fuck around.
It's not even.
You probably thought I wasn't gonna have this shit done.
Yo, it's not even an hour in, bro. Where's the motor?
Final detail, and it's over there.
I didn't think that the wheel was still on. I thought the motor was still in here, bro. Yo, where's the swap?
It's over there, bro.
Oh, okay. Yo, bro. You got this shit quicker out than the K-swap, and this thing had AC.
Thank God the AC was empty though.
Was it empty?
It was. I didn't have to pollute. I like that.
You got the motor, trans, radiator, mounts, axles, shift linkage.
There's only like 5 pieces that came out.
Yo, this looks so horrible right now, though. Look at this. It looks like a bomb went off in here. Yo, bro, this is what, 10 o'clock? The motor's out?
Yeah. But we did change plans, right? We're gonna paint the bay.
We're gonna paint the bay.
All right.
Is that why the motor's already out now?
Yeah, because now I gotta make up double time.
You trying to fast forward?
We ain't making the 3 days though.
What's the plan for today? Now, since the motor's out, I thought this was gonna take till lunchtime.
No. I got the motor out. I gotta pull full suspension front and rear, and I really want to get that as a roller today. That's the game plan.
Okay.
And then once that's done, we could just put full attention on this car.
Sounds like a plan. So suspension, wheels, make that roller.
Yeah.
And then figure out what the hell's going on over here.
Before Med comes out and sees it, because he's
Yeah.
probably gonna throw
Yo,
everything away.
The shop was clean when we left on Friday.
It's crazy. Within 1 week, this shop will clean it. It will be fucking spotless, and then a fucking bomb went off, and then we'll clean it, and then a bomb went off. Like, we can't keep up.
There's a lot of parts on the floor though. Parts everywhere. So this car's gonna be a roller today, and then we'll get it outside, get it up for sale, and then we'll mess with that maybe day 3. Hey, J-Rock, where was the help this morning? Where was the help at? You didn't get no help from him, right?
He came in early though.
All he's known is good for doing is just burnouts, bro. That's why
He is pretty good at that. You want red or you want black?
I don't know. He did a 1-legger yesterday, J-Rock. If that was one of us,
It would have been a 2-legger for sure, but that was like a fire 1-legger, so it made up for both.
yo, bro, where the hell was you at, huh? Swap's already out. You was sleeping?
No way. Bro, I literally walked in the office for like 10 minutes and came back and the shit's out.
Yeah, look, the whole swap's out.
My boy's a fucking beast.
He was talking shit about you before he came out here.
Where was the Med?
Yeah, where was he
I
at?
thought usually he comes in, he's like, yo, I did this, and then you came in late.
You supposed to.
Where was he?
Could at least took off the shift linkage. All right. So YouTube has spoken. All right. I seen the most comments and the most valve cover and best seats to put in the hatch. Right.
I don't like when YouTube votes because they didn't pick the red Recaros.
Oh, so you're disagreeing with YouTube?
I'm disappointed and disagreeing.
So I'm gonna give a sneak peek of the wheels. Right. He ordered the wheels. They came in one day and tires. So I'll show you guys. I'm not gonna show you guys what the wheel combo is, but you guys obviously know what type of wheel it is. Those are the tires that we're gonna be using. So we picked you guys' color for the wheels. So you think you can agree with the wheel color?
Actually,
What was your choice?
I didn't want a choice. Remember we said
Yeah, you didn't have a choice. You had a choice, all right?
I already knew what I wanted.
You knew what you wanted?
Yeah.
You knew what you wanted?
Is it the same as what the people wanted?
Yeah, exactly what they wanted too.
It's right. He guessed it on the money, and he guessed the valve cover color on the money too.
I feel like it's gonna come out fire.
It's gonna be a good combo.
It definitely is. And who's installing them now? Who's putting the wheels and tires on? See? I hear a lot of clacking and shit going on over here. What's going on, bro?
Working out.
Working out? Okay, it's rear disc time over here. What you got? Oh, we got 2 control arms. It's gonna be a roller today?
I don't know. Maybe.
Oh, now you don't know. You was super confident this morning.
We said one full day to strip
No,
that.
I'm talking about this as a roller.
And then one full day to strip that.
No, that's not.
And then we
that's-
have another full day to make this a roller.
What's that shit where people lose their memory? What's that shit called?
Hard work.
Hard work.
Yeah.
This was not the same conversation that we had earlier, bro.
I'm gonna try. There's a lot of work on this car.
It's like, what time is it? I think it's only noon, bro. Only noon. You got a decent amount of time left.
Yeah.
Yo, who's painting that engine bay? I forgot to ask you that.
What's that guy's name?
From where?
Paint Rock, I think.
Paint Rock?
Yeah, Paint Rock.
Oh, okay. now, are we using rattle can or?
No.
We
That's
don't
on
do-
that side of the shop. We do things right on this end. Just don't let your brother around.
Have you ever spray paint? Have you ever not spray paint? Have you ever painted something before?
Yeah, it was probably like 30 years ago.
How old are you, bro? What are you guys doing? Huh?
Yeah, we got caught out.
What are you guys doing? Sun's about to go down.
We're trying to figure
All
out.
you guys yesterday were together, did a burnout.
All right, we
Now
want-
all 3 of you guys looking on the bay. There's something about to go down.
We want to know if we should tuck the brake line. That's an obvious yes, because look how crazy that shit looks.
It looks crazy because it's all white and it's shitty.
That's what I'm saying. Either paint them black, or should we tuck them?
Everybody's gonna say tucked.
Exactly. But
That's
if we
because they're not
tuck-
the ones doing it.
That's
But if we
definitely.
tuck that, we might have tucked the harness.
Yeah, hold on, move out the way real quick, Ken. That shit rolling?
Yeah.
No way. No way you didn't get that shit into a roller.
Bro,
That's a one-owner car over there. Go check it out.
What did you say to me today when I was about to pull
You
the
was
stretch?
iffy though. You was real
I wasn't
iffy.
iffy. I gotta keep
I
my
meant,
head
It's actually cleaned up really good.
I
Go
meant
check
you.
it out.
I meant you must have made this into a roller. He didn't.
Go check it out. It's actually really clean.
Oh, now it looks like a I don't know about one owner or all that, but it looks like
maybe like 100.
It looks better when it cleaned in.
subframe's back on too. Okay, it does look a little good with the Steelies. I ain't gonna lie, but the wiring is all nice and how it should be. You can plug your harness back up into there. You missed one thing though. The power steering, bro.
I left that optional for if they want it. I hope that a nice, strong individual owns this car and they don't need that pussy power steering. This dude right here would definitely need the EPS.
Yo, check this car out. This shit is there's nothing on it now. So what's the plan? Paint the bay?
You're gonna paint the bay.
Who's painting the bay though? J-Rock said, what'd you call yourself earlier?
I don't want to make him cry.
No?
Make me cry. Hey, this has nothing to do with me. so I'm
Nah,
not
what'd you
crying.
call yourself earlier?
Rock paint.
Yeah, right. Rock paint.
We're gonna paint the car. We're gonna undercoat the whole car.
Well, paint the bay. Undercoat the car.
Yeah, paint the bay. Undercoat the whole car. What else? Take the fender liners out. all
Take the
plastic
liners out. Well,
Side skirts
yeah.
off.
You
Just
can't.
undercoat.
You can't paint the engine bay with a rattle can.
No,
Can't
we
do it.
already discussed that.
No rattle can.
day that
You're
this
not allowed
bay-
to touch a rattle can, and you're definitely not allowed to touch a spray gun.
Yeah, your boss might call me like, yo,
Yeah, right.
I seen you on YouTube.
You're right.
I got this dude Muhammad, yo. You know, like I might want you over here, bro.
Right,
That's why you don't want me to touch one.
Right.
Day 2 has officially came to an end. The swap is completely out of the EG hatch. The red car is now a roller, but the shop looks super, super, super bad. There's parts everywhere, motors everywhere, axles everywhere. So the plan is to paint the bay on the red car, and then we'll get the car back together, clean up the swaps. So I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.